How do pop-up drink stands avoid common budgeting mistakes? Pop-up drink stands avoid budgeting mistakes by tracking every single cost before opening day, setting aside money for surprise expenses, and never spending more than they expect to earn back within the first few weekends. Think of a lemonade stand, but bigger and more grown up. Before buying a single cup or a bag of ice, smart owners write down every cost they can think of, like cups, sugar, fruit, ice, tables, and even the tent they stand under. They also guess how much money they might make each day and compare that to what they are spending, so they are not surprised later. Something a lot of people do not know is that pop-up drink stands often lose money simply because ice melts faster than expected, which means wasted product and wasted money. Smart stand owners solve this by buying extra ice storage coolers instead of just bags of ice sitting out, which keeps costs steady even on hot days. They also keep a tiny notebook or phone app updated every single day, so they always know exactly how much cash they have left instead of guessing at the end of the week. One big thing to watch out for is forgetting about slow days, since not every day will be busy, so it helps to save a small cushion of money just in case sales are low. Another important thing is buying too much stock at once, which can lead to spoiled fruit or wasted syrup, so it is smarter to buy smaller amounts more often. A tricky money mistake many stands make is underestimating cup and napkin costs, since those add up fast, so buying in bulk from a wholesale supplier can save a surprising amount of money over time. If you enjoyed this, check out our online directories in the description below.